Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Dan Curtis with a report brought to you by the number 185 billion, the number we are hearing this morning from Google parent Alphabet. Good morning, Dan.
Good morning, Nathan. That's right. It's the number I've probably heard the most all day. $185 billion in CapEx. That's how much Alphabet is planning to spend this year. Absolutely monstrous number, topping peers. 50% higher than estimates, just really blowing the street away. So Alphabet shares are down about 3% in the pre-market. Analysts are mixed on that number. It's a lot of money. It'd be a lot of money for me, but it also does signal confidence in the AI trade, right? So if you're going to do something, do it big. That's what Alphabet is looking to do. The 4Q numbers did come out. Top, bottom lines both beat. Search revenues were up 17%. That shows it's fending off ChatGPT competition. Cloud revenue grew nearly 50%. So it's still getting growth from that AI, from the money where it's looking to invest. The Gemini app has 750 million monthly users. So it looks like it's on the right foot for the AI trade. Just the amount of money that's spending on it has some people questioning whether it's quite worth it. So stock down 3% in the pre-market.
The memory chip trade may be taking it on the chin big time this morning, judging by the results from Qualcomm, Dan.
That's right. So Qualcomm came out after the bell last night. Those shares are down 12%. Top and bottom line estimates for current quarter, both top and bottom line forecasts for current quarter, both below estimates. That's even with fiscal first quarter earnings beating. Qualcomm is a smartphone processor maker, and it says while there's demand for high-end phones, some customers will be making fewer handsets because memory chip shortages and costs, especially at the low end. Qualcomm is looking to diversify towards chips for cars, PCs, data centers outside of this space because the handset sector is proving very, very cautious, a lot of caution over that. So those shares down 12% in the pre-market.
We got earnings this morning from Estee Lauder, and I'm going to say it, Dan, they're not pretty.
They are not. I guess all my makeup spending for radio isn't feeding through.
Okay.
It did raise full year sales and earnings guidance, but the market was expecting it. Shares are now down almost 11% in pre-market. Company narrowed organic net sales growth, now seeing 1% to 3% for the year, but Wall Street was already at 2.9%. So it was at the top end of what Estee Lauder provided. Again, EPS range was up 15 cents, but Wall Street had already moved on that. Fiscal second quarter earnings and sales did top estimates. Flat organic growth in America, though. CEO is looking for a turnaround, but right now, shares not seeing a turnaround in the pre-market.
And just quickly, Dan, we got some news from Spotify this morning that some listeners might find a little interesting.
That's right. So Spotify is going to be offering premium subscribers a chance to buy paper books. I have this. I'm scratching my head. Markets are taking a 2% move up on that news. Spotify, according to the Wall Street Journal, is partnering with bookshop.org to provide paperback books. And I mean, I'm a Spotify premium user. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy that because I'll bump into things if I'm trying to commute and be on the book and read a book at the same time.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.